Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lowe's delivery options for EV charger kits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Lowe's delivery options for EV charger kits, begin by visiting the Lowe's website. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in EV charger kits and press enter. Browse through the selection of EV charger kits available on the site. Choose the specific kit that meets your needs by clicking on the product. On the product page, look for the Add to Cart button and click it. Once the item is in your cart, locate the shopping cart icon in the top right corner. Click on the shopping cart icon to view your selected items. Review the items in your cart to ensure you have chosen the correct EV charger kit. Next, look for the Proceed to Checkout button and click on it. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in to your Lowe's account. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one or continue as a guest. Enter your delivery address information in the required fields. Ensure that the address you provide is eligible for delivery. After entering your address, proceed to the Delivery Options section. Select your preferred delivery method from the available options. Review any associated costs for delivery if applicable. Continue to the Payment section where you can enter your payment information. Follow the prompts to complete your order. After placing your order, check for a confirmation email regarding your purchase. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the delivery status of your EV charger kit. That completes the steps to activate delivery options for EV charger kits at Lowe's. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.